I will outline you very brief what did we achieve. Through this implementation, we optimize the operation cost. Like insurance can now process more volumes of claims with fewer resources. The centralization of claim process made the branch offices linear, as they no longer need to focus in processing tasks. Quality compliance. The inbuilt control of BPM process prevents wrong data from being entered during the claims process, improving claims personnel performance from 50% to 99%. Turnaround time. With the implementation of BPM, the claims turnaround time has reduced significantly, improving the resource utilization. And with the document management, we touch a bit the paperless operation. One of the main advantages gained by the adopting Newgen's BPM and ECM was the introduction of paperless operation. Today, there is no need for physical documents to move around the premises to handle business. The integration between the insurance legacy system that generates the document with Newgen's application and the automatic loading of documents to the DMS have made this paperless operation possible. The process has been running for almost a year. We expect by the end of the year to have 250% return of interest. After seeing the benefits, now we have the underwriting department that it wants to utilize Zappin and move forward with the underwriting department. And we have the account department in the pipes that it wants to focus first on accounting department. So I can suggest that BPM platform can improve efficiencies and can make the company move forward. Thank you very much.